Hello everybody, and today we're gonna be playing my game Move Paradise that gives you free Robux. See, I'm holding Robux right now. Okay, it doesn't actually. Okay, you sorted me. Okay, and I'm here with my buddy LEIF, Cozy, Dr. Pepper, whatever you want to call him. And okay, I'm gonna kill him now.
No.
Did you just give yourself a gun?
No.
It's not fair. I tried.
Hey, why'd you gun yourself?
Because I'm smart. Can I ungod me or something? Kill me. I just did kill me. It doesn't work. Because that's not a command. Kill me. Oh yeah. Okay, guys. Also, my thing is small because something leaks. Okay, I'm owner of this place and leave. No.
Gun. I want a gun.
I don't think gun is a thing. Okay, I'm just gonna morph me Big Mama.
Don't you dare. I'm killing you.
Oh my god. Morph me. Boop. Now you can't kill me. Oh no, don't use build tool. Do not. Don't you dare. Oh my god. Slash bandy.
Don't.
I'm not actually gonna do it. Unpunished.
Or please go on a live stream.
Hey. Dude, what the hell?
I'm killing your beetles.
Dude, don't do that or I'll ban you.
Well, don't be Big Mama. Otherwise, Big Man's gonna go away.
What?
And you want Big Man to stay there, right?
Who's Big Man?
That's Big Man.
Ah, it's a Despacito spider.
So you don't want him to go away, do you?
Where's the delete tool?
Why? It's Shift plus X, and you can delete.
Shift plus X. Shift plus X. Okay, now I can delete you. Let's see. No, it is just a rotate tool.
Yeah, I have to.
Shift plus X.
That's,
The hell?
bro, you have to hold Shift and X at the same
Shift
time.
and X. And then click on you at the same time too?
No, you have to click on me first.
Boop.
Make sure it's orange.
Okay. This is hard. You're literally teaching me how to delete you. I'm not actually gonna delete you. I will. Yeah. Why is it so hard to click on you?
I'm not sure. It's
Where
hard
am
to
I?
click on you too. Like, it's hard to click on you too. Wait, stop moving. You have to touch their toes.
What if I don't have toes? Da.
What's it like over there, Eric? What's it like over there?
Dude. Okay, click on your toes. I can't click on your freaking toes! There. Dude, you took away my beetle.
Ow! Now you took away my beetle.
Yeah, that's how mafia works.
Hey, don't do that. Haha, noob. Ow.
Kill D. You exploded me!
Yeah, so.
This is one step after kill. It's kick. And then the other step is ban. And then the other step is perm ban.
Eric, don't make me crash you.
Oh yeah, crash is literally worse than perm ban. But if you do crash me, I will take away your rank and ban you forever. So don't.
If you kill me again, well, if you kick me again, then I will crash you.
Okay, I'm gonna go get my friend Billy to join, which is also your friend, so you know him because they're like
Don't make
friends.
me crash you, Eric. I don't want to do it, but I will do it.
I will do it too. Crash D. Crash F? No. Should I press enter, guys? I know LEIF is hearing me too, but I will not press enter, okay? But I will do this. If you actually crash me, I will ban you. Why do you put a slash there?
Alright, now I did.
Explode D. Oop. Exploding is fun. I just exploded all. Can I do ban all? Dude, stop! Stop! Actually, stop. Dude!
I'm running away.
No, 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 no,
Why?
leave, leave.
Whoopsies.
Haha, noob. Bubble chat? What?
What is happening?
The heck? Hey,
I'm leaving
dude.
and then rejoining.
Why? That explosion didn't even kill me. Okay, LEIF. Pick a number. Dude.
There. Hey, why can't I move?
Figure it out. LEIF. Okay, I'm gonna give you a choice between 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'm just gonna think of them in my mind. 1 is, 2 is, 3 is, and 4 is. Okay, pick a number 1 to 4.
Poop.
Yeah, okay, poop was a ban. Ban D.
Hey.
Infinite time, all servers. Reason because you chose poop. I'm not actually gonna do it. 3 was actually a ban. Hey!
Hey, why'd you freeze me?
Hey! Hey! Wait a second. Flamed!
With me. Bye.
Bye. Maybe. I don't know.
You fly dog.
Ba-dum-bum-ba-da-bum.
Eric, I'm disliking the game, bro.
Well, I'm disliking you. Ba-dum-bum-bum. Dude, just because I admin abuse doesn't mean it's a bad game. I mean, it does, but whatever. LEIF.
I'm playing Saber Simulator because I want to get cool eggs.
Okay, if you enjoyed this video, I'm head now. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, subscribe, and I'm bored. Bye, bye, guys. Bye, 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 bye. LEIF, say bye to the guys. LEIF, say bye.
Bye.
Okay.
Okay, I must find